Now I'll demonstrate how to establish an N-way conference call. N-way conferencing is similar to three-way conferencing, but allows for a higher number of parties to be conferenced together. The first step is to dial the first party. Once they answer, I'll press the conference soft key. Once I push the conference soft key, this will put them into a hold state. Then I'll dial the second party. Notice as I add each party, the screen is split into two parts. The top half shows the existing call, or conference, and the bottom half of the screen shows the person I am calling and wanting to add to the conference bridge. As soon as the person I call answers, you will see two soft key choices display: drop and conference. I would press the drop soft key if I got their voicemail, or after I talk with them for a moment, I find out they don't have time right now, or maybe they're not the right person to join the conference call. These are all reasons why you might press the drop soft key before you add them to the conference call. Now let's say they answer and they're ready to join the conference. Then I would simply press the conference soft key. Watch the two halves of the screen become one box with the word conference as my new party is added to the conference bridge. If I want to add another party to the conference, I would just repeat the process. Press the conference soft key, dial the next number. When they answer, press the conference soft key, and they are added to the conference. When the conference call is complete, I can press the goodbye key or the drop soft key to disconnect all parties and end the conference call.